Hey everyone, in this video we will create our first program on Tinkercad where we will blink this LED by using simulation. So for that just go to the Tinkercad dashboard and there in circuits click on create new circuit. And now here we will first create this circuit diagram just like this one and then we will write the code. So here we first need the Arduino, then the breadboard, and then we need to connect the LED to pin number 3 by using the resistor and the jumper wires. So here we will first need the Arduino. So go to the search tab here and write Arduino. Then you will get the Arduino Uno R3. Just click on this one and then you can simply drag the component anywhere you want to. Now just put it here. So just simply click here. And now after this one, we will need the breadboard. So for that, we will search breadboard here. So here we have bread and there we go with the breadboards. So I will take the breadboard mini and just simply drag it here. There we go. Now after this one, we will need our LED. So search for LED here. There we go. Just simply click it and then insert it here on the breadboard. There we go. Now after this one, we need a resistor. So just simply search for a resistor. There we go with this one and insert it somewhere around here on this breadboard. Now after this one, we also need to change the value of this resistor because by default it is 1 kilo ohm, which we don't need here. So just simply change it to 1 milli ohm, or we can also change it to 10 milli ohm. There we go. Now after this one, connect these two vertical lanes in which we have the LED's positive terminal and the resistor. So for that one, just simply click it here so that we can have a wire. And now just stretch it up to this vertical lane and then click here. There we go. So here we have connected these two vertical lanes by this wire. Now after this one, we need to connect the whole circuit to the Arduino. So for that, we will first need a wire here on positive terminal. So just click on any of this vertical line port. There we go. Now we have a wire. So stretch it up to the pin number 3. There we go. And then when you click here, you will get a node as I have told you earlier. Now take it to pin number 3 and click here. There we go. So we have connected this resistor to pin number 3. Now let's change the color of this wire to red. There we go. Now after this one, let's connect the negative terminal to the ground pin. So here click on this port, then again stretch the wire up to the ground pin and then insert it in the ground pin. There we go. Just make it vertical to this one. Now change the color to black. However, this is not necessary. I'm just changing it to make it more cleaner. Now after this one, here we have our circuit, just like our main circuit diagram. Now after this one, we will write the code and see that how it will work. So for the code, click here on this code button and then you will get this tab here. Now here, select the text, click on continue and there we go with the code. So here if you notice, we have a by default code, but we will write our own code so that we can make sure that we have written the correct code. So first of all, we need to declare the pin 3. So int LED1 equal to 3. There we go. Now add a statement terminator, just like in our every code. After this one, we will move to the void setup. So here we have already the pin mode, LED built-in output. So we can just simply change it to LED1 here. So here we have LED1 and we need it as an output pin. So here we don't need to change this output. Now after this one, we will move to our main code where we have to first make this LED turn on, and then after half a second we will turn it off. So first we need a digital write, which is already here. Just change this LED built-in to LED1. There we go. So then we have the high. Now at this point our LED is glowing. Now we will take a half second delay instead of 1 second. So change it to 500. And let me remove these comments from here. There we go. Now after this one, we have the digital write LED built-in low. So change this one to LED1 and turn off our LED. So at this point, we have turned the LED off. Then again, we will take a half second delay and we are done. So this is our code that we will need for this project. Now after this one, just click on start simulation, and there we go. Just remove the tab from here, and here we have the LED blinking. So it's first turning on and then after half a second it's turning off. So as you can see here, we are getting the same results as we are getting with the real hardware. This LED is blinking with a half second delay. So this is what simulation is, that how you can create projects by using virtual tools. So this is all about this video, and we will try that whatever project we will create in the course, we will also practice it with this simulation. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.